Hi, my name's John. Welcome to the July free giveaway. It's the first of the month, so I'm going to go upstairs, press some buttons on the computer and see if we can find a winner for this month's prizes, or rather last month's prizes. Right, Larry Stacey 5041, all you have to do is send me an email, that's me, email is up there. I'll get your prize posted off to you as soon as I get your address. I'm going to do another giveaway. I'm going to do giveaways until I've got nothing left to give away basically, and that's going to take rather a long time hopefully. If you want to enter the giveaway, all you have to do is obviously subscribe to my channel, watch and like this video, share with as many friends as you can. You need to write a comment, and in the comment box all you need to write is 2024 giveaway 7. Simple as that. You can write anything you want as long as you use that phrase in your answer or in your comments, and my computer will pick it out and we'll give you another winner. Anyway, I'm going to show you the prizes now. Some decent prizes, well worth winning, well worth entering. These are the prizes for the July giveaway 7. We've got a double boost mug made by my friend Rob at Extreme Plasma. A little bottle of Anchor Lube, or as I've started to call it, Martian Snot. And a box of Cleveland twist drills. These are real quality drills. Use the Martian Snot and they'll last forever.